Good morning, class. Welcome to your second class of this. That how the state government works. So, in the previous of this class, we looked out that how the government have been formed. Okay, and how what are the works of the government? We have also seen that how why the majority, who are in majority parties or who are in opposition party, what is coalition government. That we also looked out. Again, I am revising that people's those who are say people's through the elections they are electing the MLAs. Got it? After election of the MLAs, all those MLAs who are in majority, here, those who are in majority, they are appointing the CM, means chief minister. This chief minister is again choosing its own ministers, and these chief minister and minister they both are appointed by the governor. ठीक है, इनको अपॉइंट कौन करता है? गवर्नर इनको अपॉइंट करता है ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर. सो वी हैव डिस्कस दैट अ पार्टी व्हिच वॉन्स द majority they are ruling parties, and those who didn't won the elections majority they are the opposition party, and in opposition party also those persons which are in the more number of majority they are known as major opposition party. ठीक है. And what is coalition government means? That is just formed by the alienation of the two different political parties कि जिसको अपन ने मिलके बनाया होता है, that is your coalition government. Got it बेटा? So this we are discussing what are the constituencies, means the place from where we are electing our MLAs or we are choosing our own representatives. They have been known as constituencies. Got it? So now we are going to discuss about that how these MLAs are working in the legislative assembly. So for that they are having a one place where they all sit up together, they debate about all those things. That place is known as legislative assembly. They have been known as a legislative assembly, means it is a place where all the MLAs either from the ruling or either from the opposition party, they all are sitting together, they are discussing the issues that are formed by the government. So that is the place where they are sitting out in the legislative assembly. For example, they are debating about an issue. Debating means they are discussing. They are totally discussing that whether these are useful for the persons, whether these are not useful for the persons. So like that they are discussing about each and every point which is all related to the persons or all to the peoples. Because these MLAs are not representing to the government, but actually they are representing to us. Means on the behalf of us we have chosen on them that they represent us in the formation of government. Got it? So that is why they are discussing all the things. Means for example, if I talk that a government issued a program, then what will happen? All these MLAs will discuss about that what are the merits or what are the demerits. They will asking the questions and they are getting the answers from the government. Means what kind of the work that government is doing, what they are doing for the welfare of the persons, what they are doing for the people's safety, for their working, what they are doing. So like that they are questioning and answering to all the MLAs or all the ruling parties or to the, we can say that, to the government. Got it? So it is the main process or it is the main work of all those MLAs. For example, that I am an MLA. So what I will put? I will put that in my area I have this kind of problem. What the to solve out this problem, what the government is doing. Okay. So government have to tell that what they are doing to solve out that problem. For example, that I am facing the water problem in my area. So government have to tell that what they have done to solve out that water problem and up to what extent that water problem have been solved out. So all such kind of the things have been totally have been debated in the legislative assembly. That have been totally carried out on the welfare for the welfare of the peoples. Got it, beta? So this is how the working we are looking out. So what is the work of government? The work of government is just told through the press conferences. Press conference means all the reporters of the TV journalism, they are just sticking out at the or outside of the legislative assembly with their mics and the cameras. They are recording what the MLAs are telling. Then they are telling that MLAs or all those MLAs, those who are working in the legislative assemblies, they are coming out from the legislative assembly and they are telling to the press conference that what kind of the work they are going to do in the future period of time, what type of the schemes have been launched for the government, by the government for the welfare of the peoples. Today what happened in the legislative assembly. Why? Because this we are not also allowed that all the media persons they are sitting, only we are having that what kind of debates they are carrying out, that we are looking out for the separate TV section also, that Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are coming out in the parliamentary. So like that also the legislative assembly are also having their own TV system on which they are telling that how the persons are fighting for their, how they are debating with each other. Got it? How, what kind of works they are going to carry out in the future period of the time. They, all those things have been carried out in that press conference. Means what kind of the work they are going to be through. Besides that, all those works we are also seeking that if we are not agreeing with the government's policies, with the government's work, then what we are doing, we are going against that work. Got it? If we are totally going against that work, we are taking out the rallies, we are taking out to the strikes, that we don't need this. If you have hired up the things, then it is not suitable for us that we are going to look out for that. So this is all that how we are criticizing our work also, that how we are getting out this work also. So this is the only things which we are looking out these problems. So this is all about the work, that how the government, how the state government is working for our welfare, how that government is working for our societies, or how they are taking out the works of our government for the welfare of the societies. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much.